I've been waiting for so long on this. I finally got a hand on the Mi Box 3 upgraded version. I had the Mi Box 3, but today I'm going to unbox the upgraded version. All the information is on the back of the box, and it says it has 4K 6-core Wi-Fi 802.11 AC. Wow. Bluetooth 4.1, all kind of stuff. So let's see what's inside. The package is pretty much the same, like the previous one. If you check out my video, and they are plain cardboard color box, just like that. So it's nothing really attractive, but I like it this way. It's simple. We don't need to waste any ink. This seems to be the recycle material. Let's get this out. Here we go. And the upgraded version is actually a white version. Let's put this on the side. And come out of the box, we have the machine. And simple. The side we have more circulation on the side. Which the first one does not have that. This might be more powerful, that's why. And on the back we have 2 USB ports and an HDMI port, and this is the power jack. So we don't have the SD card. This is the bottom part. On top, just the Mi logo. It's pretty simple. Like, it's nice, tiny and sleek. So what else is in the box? Whoa, it's flying out. So inside we have the, same thing, is the instruction booklet of a few pages, show you how to connect, and it's all in Chinese. Yeah, show you how to connect to the TV with what is inside. Okay, something like that. And this is the power cord and adapter. Everything's in white this time, so it's completely opposite instead of black. Oh, nice. It comes with HDMI cable also. I like it. I don't have to worry about buying a new one. This is the HDMI cable. Inside the box, the battery for the controller is actually 2 AAA. The previous versions using the circle, round, thin battery. So, this time we have a wristband. This is a wristband for the controller. All white, nice. And nothing else inside the box. Since I have the old version here, we can just compare with it to see what it looks like. And that is all for what is inside the box. This time, this controller actually have the voice system. You can see here, you can see the voice search, I will guess, or hopefully voice command, but we'll see. Comparing to the previous version, this one is a little bit thicker. Alright. And the old one is using this round battery instead of the new one. We use the AAA battery. That's all we got inside the box. Let me take a picture first. Okay, when we're back, let's compare the two boxes. This is the old version, Xiaomi Box 3, and this is the Box 3 upgraded version. Let's see, on the back, unfortunately I bought the micro SD card for it, but I guess it doesn't support it anymore. Then I might need to use the USB drive instead. Put it side, top and bottom. The new one is thicker, obviously, but the size by dimension is pretty much the same. Can't really cover it. They kind of almost identical, but of course it's more powerful. The 6-core versus the 8-core, I think. That's what it says in Chinese, so I'm not exactly 100% clear on that. These are the difference on the back, and it's missing a, the new one is taking away the micro USB and the micro USB card. These are the two that they're taking out, but they add an additional USB card input. I guess they don't need that anymore. So they had the audio video input. I guess nobody used it, so they took it off. This one is 299 RMB, and this is 399 RMB. The difference is only 100. Converting to Canadian dollar is like only $58 versus $77.50. So I'd rather, with like around $12 different, I'll get the newest one, of course. I got it. My friend got it from China, so I don't know where to buy it here. So I have to wait this long. So let's try to install this and see how it goes. Okay, it's plugged in and turned on automatically after you plug it in. And so far similar to the first version of the 3rd generation. Loading. And loading, supposed to be faster. Hi, welcome. Okay, put battery on and press the center button. Alright, press thing. Okay, take 10 seconds to connect. Oh, only 2 seconds. It is connected. Now time for the Wi-Fi. Alright, connected. If you have a Xiaomi account, which you should get one, it's not hard, easy, download the app, the Xiaomi app, and create one. Doesn't matter, I have a wristband, so I have one, like I said before in my other video. On the top right corner, this means other option. And there's a skip button on the right side, the one I'm selecting right now. That is the skip button. You can skip it if you want, but I like to connect to my Xiaomi account. Alright, login success. And okay, it says something about using the phone, blah blah blah. I don't need it. This is the main menu screen, pretty much exactly the same as the previous one. There's no difference. Oh god, there is no difference. So this is it. It's already just turn on, log in your account and get in. If you need to install any apps or anything, I guess we will need to use the USB drive to install it. This is setting, and you can try to install the English version of the operation system if you would. Let's show you an example of installing external APK. Just download a .apk file from the internet. Put the USB in on the back and go to setting. Oh, it's gonna ask you to open it. Open it. See what's inside. So I have the, this is what I always install, is the Shafa. Okay, it doesn't let you install because in the setting, it doesn't allow, we set not to allow install external memory. It's almost like an Android phone. So let's allow it. While we're here, there's nowhere saying anything about the turning into English language. Install. And it doesn't take long before I finish the whole thing. Done. There you go. Then that is done. This is the Google Play Store. I hope it works. Come on. Install it. It's done. Can I open it? Nope, I cannot open it. So Google Play Store doesn't work. But the Shafa should work. But, oh, this one. Okay, this one works. And inside, this is the China App Store. I'm gonna update it. So you can download all the China app to, oh, it's pretty fast though. Of course, it's a lot faster than what I had before. These are all the TV apps. You can watch TV from China. All the China TV are free at this moment. This device from China, of course. Let's go to setting and look what it looks like in setting. Let's go to this one. Okay, let's turn this on. Yes, so that it will install to external USB drive. This way, I don't worry. Okay, nothing. Hey, still cannot change into English. Unfortunately. Yeah, so it's Chinese only, unfortunately, so we can't really do much. We would have to install an English version like Kodi or something like that. The Play Store cannot be opened, unfortunately. Oh boy. Thank you for watching, and that's all I got for this video.